We got here is the Saker multifunction mini chainsaw. Is the pole chainsaw. Comes with a 20-volt battery. This thing is a monster rechargeable. Motor power is 400 watt. We're gonna check this out. Put this to the test. 90-degree turning, making your cut easy. This thing came really awesome, cool. You could come from this mini chainsaw to a long extended chainsaw. How awesome that is. All right, so those are the two boxes that came from there. We're gonna open this up. This thing is nicely wrapped in here. Wow, good plastic in here. So first thing first, we got the manual, and this caught my attention. Oh, nice. It's a 6-inch. It looked like an extra chain because we do have a chain over there, and then we have the battery. I had this product before, I had their trimmer, which works amazing, by the way, and battery works good. If you want to get your hand on more details, this is the charger. If you want to get your hands on more details, check in the description box. Oh, awesome. Comes with a pair of gloves, your oil bottle, and it has oil inside. That's amazing. Always apply oil to the chainsaw before using it. And you have a safety goggle right there. Amazing. And this is the bad boy we're looking for. So we could literally put the battery on right now and start cutting with this thing. Oh my god, 6-inch blade. I love the color. I love how it feels really good. It's not heavy, it's light. And let's test it out real quick before, well, as a matter of fact, let's open up this box to show you. These are the poles. So this thing is amazing because you could do any height that you want, the length, and which is amazing to me. It's really awesome. So what are we gonna do? If you see this part right here, it's like right here. So what we're gonna do is just snap it in right there. Look, make sure you want to hear that clip, and then you could press this. Look, it goes any angle, depends how you're cutting. That's pretty cool. I like that. And this part right here, you plugged it in right here. So that's gonna send power right through, and we're gonna make it you could put it whatever length you want. You know what, we're gonna put it all the length and show you guys. When you put it on the length, the bar, you just push that in and you just screw it. You could see like it said the sign right here where the lock, that's the lock right there. So we turn it this way. Look at the head. This right here, if you turn this, it's loosen the chain, you pull it down, it tighten it up, and this right here for tighten. So we're gonna lock it, make it really tight. So you can see that's it. So it's about, I think it's about 7 feet long with everything extended. And remember, you could take out different section. You could take out 1 section or 2 section and make it like 4 feet or 2 feet or just a regular hand chainsaw. So I'm gonna put this to the test right now. All right, so I do have 2 of that branch I really want to remove. So we're gonna try to cut them out. See that? Whoa, man. That was fast. All right, timber.
No.
Whoa, timber. What I did, I took out the 2 pieces of the extended part, and now we have this about here. This is about at least 4 feet, and I'm gonna cut a smaller piece. Push the safety up like this, and then the bottom right there. This thing is powerful, man. Oh, damn. Gone. Can we do this one? Gone. Sturdy. I turned it into a handheld chainsaw. This thing is like transformer. You see this? All right. Sorry, look at this. Look at that clean cut. Like anything. This thing is powerful. We're testing this bad boy out. It cuts good. It's powerful. I mean, I am impressed actually. I was not expecting this much power, but after using their using the same company actually, Saker, I did use the trimmer and the edger. It cut really good, so there was no surprise, you know, too much surprise that this thing was gonna cut good. It really made well. It cut good, and I love how you could go from a handheld chainsaw to like 4 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet, like chainsaw pole, which is very impressive. For example, like you cut some bigger branch, they fell down, you're not going to use the whole pole saw, so take that out. And the hand one, you'll cut them up easy, even like for your fire pit or fireplace. This here is really good. Check in the link, check in the description box for more details and price, and get your hands on this awesome, amazing 20-volt cordless battery powerful chainsaw. It's literally a chainsaw, a handheld chainsaw, a pole chainsaw. It's a transformer chainsaw. Loving it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do an update video coming up within a week. We're gonna be cutting some bigger logs with it, and I'll show you guys. So subscribe is 100% free. We got more unboxing video on Product Zone. Subscribe, it's free.